Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, as we commemorate the birth anniversary of Hazrat Qa'id Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the father of the nation, and celebrate this joyous festival of Christmas with our Christian friends world over, this shared occasion reflects the inclusive vision and moral foundations upon which Pakistan was established. Qa'id Muhammad Ali Jinnah was not only the architect of our independence, but a statesman of unwavering principles and exceptional clarity. He envisioned Pakistan as a democratic state, functioning on the principles of equality, pluralism, and respect for the fundamental rights of all citizens without distinction of religion, race, or ethnicity. In his historic address of 11th August 1947, Qa'id categorically reaffirmed that the state would make no distinction between one citizen and another. Our commitment to protect minority rights, equality, and religious freedom remains a cornerstone of our Constitution and national ethos. I extend warm Christmas greetings to our Christian community and reaffirm our commitment to religious freedom, equality, and pluralism as envisioned by our founding fathers and reflected in the Constitution of Pakistan. Christian fellow citizens have made invaluable contributions to Pakistan's development in education, healthcare, public service, and national defense by serving the nation with dedication, patriotism, and honor. Christmas embodies universal values of peace, compassion, sacrifice, and love for humanity. All these values resonate deeply with Islamic teachings and with the ideals envisioned by Qa'id. At a time when the world faces polarization and intolerance, Pakistan reaffirms its commitment to pluralism, interfaith harmony, and peaceful coexistence. Our diversity is a source of pride and strength. As we honor the legacy of Hazrat Qa'id today, celebrate Christmas, let us carry forward his message of peace and goodwill today and always. I wish all Christians around the globe a Merry Christmas and pay my deepest heartfelt tribute to Hazrat Qa'id Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Pakistan Zindabad.